Class 4, Subject English Grammar, Lecture 9, Topic Use of who and which. Good morning, students. Take out your English 4 lines notebooks, draw margin line, write day, subject, and date. After that, write use of who and which, and then start writing the explanation of who and which. Rewrite who and which. After that, write who and which are question words used to ask something. We usually use who for people and which for things. Make bullets for those 2 points like this and start writing its exercise. Join the following sentences with who or which. Point number 1 is this is the dog, it has a strange name. Dear students, we have to use who or which. We can use both of them according to the sentence, but it is not must that we have to use which and who both in one sentence. So in this sentence we are using who. So whenever you use who or which, so it will become question. So that's why you must have to use question marks for those questions. Right? Number 1, this is the dog, it has a strange name. So rewrite it, but before that make a star for it. Who is the dog? Question mark. Who has a strange name? Again question mark. Leave a line. Number 2, this is the bin, the dog tipped it over. So make a star and rewrite it. This is the bin. So you don't have to use question mark because it is not a question, it is a statement. This is the bin, it is a statement, so you have to use full stop. Then write who tipped it over and question mark because it is a question. There it was a statement, and when you rewrite it, so it will become a statement, so that's why you have to add a question mark. Then write number 3, this is the teacher, she told the boys to be quiet. Rewrite it. Who is the teacher? Question mark. Who told the boys to be quiet? Again question mark. Then leave a line. Number 4, these are the children. They are throwing water at us. Rewrite it. Who are they? Question mark. Who are throwing water at us? Again question mark. Number 6, this is the fence. They looked over it. Make a star and write this is the fence. Who looked over it? Question mark. This is the fence is a statement, so that's why you don't have to add a question mark to this statement. But in second one we have added who, so that's why you have to end it with a question mark. Then number 6 is this is Mohit. He lives next door. This is Mohit. He lives next door. So rewrite it by adding a star. Who is Mohit? Who lives next? Hope so it would be clear to you. I don't know why is it blur here. Yes. And point number 7 is this is the cat. It comes into our house every night. Make a star and rewrite it. Who is the cat which comes into our house every night? Add a question mark there. Who is the cat? Question mark. Which comes into our house every night? There at the end you don't have to add question mark because we have added which. So here we just have to add which. Sometimes you have to add which but it won't be a question. So keep in mind that thing. There you have to add a question mark and you have to end it with full stop. Hope so it would be clear to you people. But if you have any questions, so you can ask me in the comment section below. I will answer your questions, or you can ask the principal ma'am in inbox, so she will forward your questions or queries to us. Practice it, learn it, write it neatly and correctly, and be ready for our lecture number 10. Thank you, students.